Okay, I understand you don't want to do anything too radical here because it's very prominent and maybe like baby steps, which is fine. So what you do is you do it in stages. So you just cut in this window so that the sun can get in there. But you can't really tell that there's a window. If you do that all the way down, leave it for a few weeks, a few months even, you'll get some new growth in there. Then you'll have more options. Right now it's just very wide, and it's kind of, and then it goes in. So there's no way you're gonna get anything down there except on the very edge because you've been using the hedge trimmer, which is totally fine. But what happens is it gets very dense. So, and then there's very little inside, right? It's like just brown in there. There's so little growth. So by cutting in the windows, you're gonna have some new growth emerge. Then you have more options where you can, if you're more radical in your approach, it doesn't look so sparse. I mean, it still will look sparse. And when you're ready, maybe you do that. But I know that you're not ready yet, so it's okay. It's okay.